channel. It's Sarah from FurnitureFlipBySarah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to completely update your hutch. This is kind of like a trash to treasure, and I'll take you guys through the whole process. Let's begin. What I'm going to be using to sand is just 120 grit sandpaper with my DeWalt Orbital electrical sander. So here is the dresser. I've already started to take apart the old hardware. I just took it off and removed the doors. And I'm going to get ready to start sanding this piece down. I'm going to be painting the whole thing, so I just need to do a light scuff sand. But I will share with you guys my sander and the sandpaper I use. Now I'm just using my Timbermate wood fill to fill in any little holes and cracks on the buffet and then sand them smooth. Now it's time to clean the piece. I'm just using some TSP diluted with some water in a spray bottle, and that is just a degreaser to get all the dirt and grime off. Now it is time to paint, and I am using Coal Black by Fusion Mineral Paint with my Stallmaster brush. Now that the top is painted, I'm going ahead and painting the sides and the spindles, making sure that the whole piece has an even first coat. now that I have 2 full coats on with a brush, I'm going to go ahead and do my 3rd coat with a roller. This way the paint is just very even and it smooths out all the brush strokes. I find when I'm using darker colors like black, navy blue, using this roll-on tip is perfect and it leaves you with a super smooth finish. I also make sure to get the edges of the drawers so it leaves a nice clean finish. So now I'm out in the garage and I'm going to spray the hinges gold to match the hardware we're using. And I am just using the Rust-Oleum brand. I love using this brand and this gold is one of my favorites. So you can see my spray paint is almost empty, but it still has quite a bit in there. So once this dries, I'm gonna flip it over and spray the other side. Now I'm just going ahead and adding a top coat to this buffet. I'm using Fusion Mineral Paint Stain and Finishing Oil in the natural with a blue shop cloth, and I'm just rubbing it on. And then I'm going to take an extra cloth and just wipe it off. So you can see the difference already. And I already did the front. But I just wanted to show you a close-up of what I'm doing to top coat this buffet. So once again, I'm using Fusion Stain and Finishing Oil in the natural, and I'm taking my blue shop cloth. I'm just going to tip it upside down and then rub it on to the piece and make sure I get in all the corners and really just buff it on. And then I'm going to take the other side of the shop cloth and just wipe it all off. And then this will take about 3 days to be dried to the touch, but I would let your pieces sit for at least 3 weeks for your paint and top coats to fully cure and ensure you have a product that is going to last a really long time, especially if you're reselling. And there's the finished look. Now that the hinges are dry, I am just screwing them back in with a screwdriver and adding the doors. I'm going to be adding some new gold hardware. They're just these little square knobs that are really going to update the piece and make it look super modern. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this furniture makeover from start to finish with me. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram to watch more makeovers and hit the subscribe button. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.